question related with this formula is question evaluate limit as x tends to 5 x raised to 4 minus 6 to 5 upon x minus 5. X tends to a, x tends to 5, x raised to n minus a raised to n. This term a we have 5 raised to n form. Now this write as limit as x tends to 5. This is x raised to 4 minus, we know that a, x tends to a. So a take 5 and this 6 to 5 write in the form 5 raised to. If we take 5 raised to 4, that means product of 5, 4 times this is 25 and this is 25. That means 25 square, which is nothing but 6 to 5. So write here 5 raised to 4 upon x minus 5 is equal to. This is question we solve using this formula. X raised to a, x raised to 5 is there, that means a is 5. So here is a, write 5 and here is n, here is n. So direct we write also 4 and here 4. If we calculate 5 raised to 4, then we get 6 to 5. That means 6 to 5 is right in the form 5 raised to 4. And then denominator is x minus a, x minus 5. Now so use direct formula by putting values. N is 4 and a is 5. A is 5. N is 4. Compare this and these terms. N is 4. A is 5. Therefore, is equal to, direct put in that formula or write formula n a raised to n minus 1 is equal to n a raised to n minus 1. We have values of n and a. So put here n is 4, a is 5, n minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. We calculate this value. 5 raised to 3, we know that 5 raised to 3 is 25 into 5, which is 125. And next is 125 into 4, 500. So this is 125 and product with 4. Final answer is equal to 500. And this is correct answer, 500. 500 is correct answer. Next is question if limit as x tends to 1, x raised to 4 minus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to limit as x tends to a, x raised to 3 minus a raised to 3 upon x minus a question is find A. A we have to find. So for solving this limit, compare with this limit, find values. This limit, compare with this limit, find values. Now here is first find A is 1, N is 4. Since 1 raised to 4 is also 1, so don't write here. Direct take value of N is 1. Alright, just take. We write this as limit as x tends to 1, x raised to 4 minus 1 is right in the form 1 raised to 4. Here is x minus 1. Limit x tends to a. Here direct given values x raised to 3, a raised to 3, x minus a. Just change only in this term. 1 is we write in the form 1 raised to 4. 1 raised to 4 is 1. So we write. Now compare this limit and this limit, this limit and this limit, and find values for this limit and that limit. Now for this limit, n is 4 and a is 1. Since here is x minus 1, so 1 is value of a. N is same, x minus a is 1. So n is 4, a is 1, or a is 1. Now here n is 3, a is a. Once again check, x tends to a, here is a, 3, x minus a is there. So use formula n a raised to n minus 1, right here equal to n a raised to n minus 1. Since in the question there is equal sign. Use formula, put values, that is n is 4, a is 1, n minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, is equal to n, 3, a is a, n minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. Use these values in the formula and we get these terms. There is equal sign. 1 raised to 3 is 1, so this side is 1 into 4, that is 4. 1 raised to 3 is 1, so 1 into 4, write direct 4. 3 into a raised to 2. We want to find value of a. So a square as it is 3 to this side, 4 upon 3. That means right here that is a square is equal to 4 by 3. Taking root on both sides. Taking root on both sides. Therefore, root of this side is a is equal to plus or minus root of this term is 2 upon root of this term is root 3. A square is 4 by 3. Taking root on both sides. Root of this term is a is equal to root of this term is 2. Before that plus minus root of this term 2, root of this term is root 3, and this is the answer. A is equal to plus or minus 2 upon root 3. This is the answer. Correct answer.